My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Seat Ibiza. This vehicle has done just under 52,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control, voice control and automatic headlights. On the touchscreen we can get quick access to radio and media, navigation and traffic reports, images, Bluetooth, vehicle status, full link, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay and MirrorLink, as well as sound and settings. Just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.